Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing that while you were asleep, you made money on Discord. Sounds crazy? Not anymore. Discord is no longer just a gamer's chat room, it's a goldmine for those who know how to use it. What if I told you that you could turn a simple Discord server into a cash-generating machine, even if you have no product, no business, and no followers? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Discord using proven strategies that thousands are already using to build income streams. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint to start making money today. 1. The hidden goldmine. Why Discord is a powerful money-making tool. Most people think of Discord as a platform for chatting with friends or discussing hobbies, but in reality, it has evolved into a business hub. With over 150 million active users, it offers a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs, creators, and marketers to build communities and monetize them. Unlike social media platforms where algorithms control visibility, Discord allows you to directly engage with an audience that chose to be there. This means higher engagement, stronger trust, and ultimately, more opportunities to make money. Businesses and influencers have already started using Discord to sell courses, provide exclusive content, and even run private investment groups. Take the example of paid stock trading Discords, where members pay $50 to $500 per month for stock market insights. The best part? You don't need to be a financial expert to replicate this. There are many ways to profit from a well-structured server, and I'll break them down step by step. 2. Building a profitable community. How to grow a monetizable Discord server. Before you can make money, you need people in your server. But not just any people, engaged people. The key to growing a successful Discord server is to create a community that offers value. This could be exclusive knowledge, a skill-based group, or even just an entertaining space where people want to stay and interact. Start by choosing a niche. Are you into fitness? Cryptocurrency? Side hustles? A well-defined niche will attract the right audience. Next, use social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok to promote your server. Offer something valuable as an incentive, such as a free guide, exclusive access to content, or a giveaway. Once you start building a loyal community, you can begin monetizing through paid memberships, sponsorships, and premium content. 3. Exclusive memberships. How to monetize your server with paid subscriptions. One of the most effective ways to make money on Discord is through exclusive memberships. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and Discord's built-in membership feature allow you to charge users for access to special channels. For example, if you run a crypto investing community, you can offer free general discussions but restrict high-value content like trading signals, market insights, or Q&A sessions to paid members. Many Discord servers charge anywhere from $5 to $100 plus per month for VIP access, and members gladly pay because they see value in the exclusivity. To implement this, set up role-based access using Discord bots like Me6 or CarlBot. This way, only paying members can see premium content. Once your first subscribers join, your income starts compounding over time. 4. Selling digital products and services on Discord. Discord is also a fantastic platform to sell digital products like ebooks, templates, courses, and coaching sessions. If you have expertise in a specific area, whether it's personal finance, marketing, or fitness, you can package that knowledge into a digital product and sell it directly to your community. A great example is graphic designers who sell custom Discord server designs and branding kits. They use Discord to showcase their work, engage with potential clients, and make sales directly through their server. Another example is freelancers who offer one-on-one consulting or coaching through private Discord channels, creating an additional revenue stream without relying on traditional platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 5. Affiliate marketing on Discord. How to earn commissions without selling your own products. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money on Discord without needing your own product. The idea is simple. Promote other people's products using a unique referral link, and earn a commission for every sale. For instance, if you run a tech-related Discord, you can recommend gaming peripherals, software tools, or online courses and share affiliate links from platforms like Amazon Associates, PartnerStack, or ClickBank. The key is to make it organic, don't just spam links. Instead, create discussions, share reviews, and genuinely help members find the best products. This approach builds trust and increases conversions. 6. Flipping and selling Discord servers for profit. Believe it or not, there's a market for buying and selling Discord servers. A well-built server with an active community can be sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars to businesses looking for an instant audience. To flip a server, focus on growth and engagement. Choose a trending niche, create valuable content, and build an active membership base. Once the server reaches a few thousand engaged members, list it on platforms like Swapped or PlayerUp, where buyers are looking for ready-made communities. 7. Automating your Discord income. How to make money on autopilot. Automation is key to scaling your Discord income. With tools like DynoBot, AutoMod, and Zapier, you can set up systems that manage subscriptions, schedule content, and even automate sales messages. Imagine a bot that greets new members, promotes your paid services, and even processes payments without you lifting a finger. The more you automate, the more passive your income becomes. 8. Sponsorships and brand deals. How to get companies to pay you to promote on Discord. Brands are willing to pay to reach engaged audiences. If you have an active Discord server, companies might pay for shoutouts, sponsored posts, or even custom partnership deals. For example, a tech company might sponsor a giveaway in your server, paying you to promote their product. To land these deals, reach out to brands directly, highlighting your community's engagement and size. 9. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. What can get your Discord server banned or ruin your income? Not all money-making methods are safe. Violating Discord's terms of service, using aggressive marketing tactics, or allowing spam in your server can get your account banned. Always follow ethical business practices, and focus on creating a long-term sustainable income stream. So there you have it, multiple ways to turn Discord into a money-making powerhouse. Whether you're offering memberships, selling digital products, running affiliate marketing, or even flipping servers, the opportunities are endless. But the key takeaway? Action. Pick a strategy and start today. Check out the description or the first pinned comment for useful links and exclusive recommendations. And since you stayed until here, YouTube chose the best video for you to watch next. It's on screen right now. Click it, and I'll see you there.